everyone. Welcome, guys. Hope you guys had a great trading day. Hey, Mike, welcome, Mike. Welcome. Hey, Rose, welcome, Rose.
Hi, David. How are you?
Hello. All right, guys, let's go ahead and get started. We have a lot of information to go over here. All right. Dow was down again today. All right. We know it was down yesterday. It was down again today. All right. 99 points today. Russell was also down. So almost similar to last night. All right. So that is a concern. So we will take a look at the Dow right here. It's still holding, but boy, 2 days of selling, that is a concern. All right. Half of the indexes is the sectors are down here. All right. Half of the sectors are down. All right. So just keep that in mind. The US 30 here. All right. US 30. So we're US 30 traders. We have a buy signal here on the 240. All right. It's holding currently, but we did have a pullback. So we need that white candle here, right? That white candle. It's holding right here, but we need buyers. We need buyers to come in, right? We need buyers to come in and continue to move the price higher. We were doing good earlier today. End of the day, sellers came in. Now, the good news, we don't have any red candles, all right? So hopefully, right, it's just going to hold here. And then tomorrow, hopefully, we'll get buyers. We need the Dow to be up, finish up for the day tomorrow, okay? So that is a concern, all right? On the daily time frame, on the US 30 daily time frame, and I know our US 30 traders are trading this right now. Just remember, we have a purple support and resistance right here. All right, we do need to break resistance here on the daily time frame. So just be aware. I would certainly pay attention to your trade on the 240. Now, on the smaller time frames, right? Not as major of a concern, but still a concern. We do have a sell signal on the 60-minute. All right. So just be aware of that. That's perhaps the major concern right now. The good news, we do have good news. And the good news is we've had several, we sent out a message today, a lot of pips, right? Tons of pips. In the yen pairs and pound pairs. So a lot of the yen pairs closed. The only one we've got that's still open, actually it closed today, is the pound yen. All right, so the pound yen closed today for about almost 600 pips. So that's the last yen pair that closed right here. Buy signal was here, closed right here. Just an amazing trade with pound yen. So that's the last one, last yen pair to close. So let's go ahead and remove it from here. Okay. All right. So buy signal here, sold here. Perfect trade. Again, broke resistance here. Right. Markdown phase, accumulation, markup. Right. Remember, go ahead and draw in your trend lines, your V. Right, but great trading here. I think we had about 4 or 5 yen pairs that closed for over 500 pips, guys. Pound New Zealand, buy signal here. Now, this one here is for about 600 pips. All right. Pound New Zealand, buy signal is here. Trading all the way up here. Now we have a purple support and resistance here. It's reached its target, which is right here, resistance, a bit of a pullback, but we still have green candles here. All right. So, we'll hold on for right now. All right. Hopefully we can get another move higher. All right. I would say you get a red candle, definitely close the trade. So pound New Zealand, and we'll get to the dollar pairs in a minute. All right. So pound New Zealand here, great trade. Pound Swiss. All right, pound Swiss closed. All right, so great trade here. Buy signal. This was for about, what's that? um, about 300 pips. Buy signal here, closed right here. Red candles coming in here, close the trade. All right, reached its target. I would call it here. Right, here's your resistance here, so that's fairly close to your target here. Okay, buy signal here, sell signal here. Great trade. So pound Swiss, close this trade, please. Now, um, be careful. We don't have any new trades right now, so wait for this rotation. It's closing, right? It's coming to an end, so we need to wait for a next rotation. All right, and that's pound New Zealand, pound Aussie. All right, pound Aussie holding. This one here, what's that? That's for about 600 pips here, right? Buy signal here, right? Trading all the way up here. Tons of pips, guys. Tons of pips. You guys should take advantage of these trades, okay? All right, so buy signal here, breaking. It's looking to break the resistance, right? Wants to move higher there. All right, so just let it continue to move higher. All right. All right, so buy signal here, trading all the way up here. That's pound Aussie. So pound New Zealand, pound Aussie will continue to hold those. Okay. Aussie Swiss, this one closed. So buy signal here, broke support, red candle here. So we should have gotten out right here. All right. Buy signal here, red candle, sell signal. All right. So close this trade. Aussie Swiss, close the trade, please. All right. Let's remove this. All right. Aussie, New Zealand. Aussie, New Zealand. This one closed also. Buy signal here, sell signal here for a loss of about, let's see here. Hold on. Let's see. About 25 pips or so. Hey, Michael. Welcome, Michael. Welcome. All right. All right. So close the trade. Aussie, New Zealand, close the trade. All right. So notice we're trimming positions. We had a lot more positions in Monster Scalper. No shorts. We don't have any shorts. So we're trimming positions. That's what we want, right? We want to trim positions, take profits. All right. Dollar USD DKK close. Buy signal was here. Sell signal hit support. So close that trade. USD DKK. All right. USD NOK also closed. All right. Right, so buy signal here, hit support, red candle, close that trade. So USD and okay, close that trade. As guys, as a matter of fact, this is what we want. We want these trades to close, take profits, take your small losses, and we'll wait for the next rotation. Okay, USD HUF, this one is holding, right? Buy signal all the way down here, right here, reached its first target and heading towards its second target here. All right. If this one holds and breaks through, we could potentially get to its third target here, which would be amazing. All right. So buy signal here, trading up nicely. So far from here to here, it's about, that looks about 500 pips right here. All right. All right. So we'll hold this. USD HUF, USD CZK. All right. This one closed. All right. So buy signal was here. Right, hit support, sell signal, close the trade here. So USD CZK will close that trade. All right, so only 3 positions left in Monster Scalper. All right, so USD HUF here, pound New Zealand, right, buy signal here, that's holding. Again, keep an eye on this one. And then pound Aussie, buy signal here, wants to break out. Okay, but again, keep an eye on this. Right, a lot. Right, it might close. Right, it might give us. Right, sellers could come in, give a big red candle, and overnight tomorrow, or throughout the week, and then we have to close. So keep an eye if you're in it. Keep an eye on it. All right. So, but great. Can't complain, guys. Right. This is the best move I would say we've had in Forex in a while. All right, so great volatility in Forex. All right, Monster Scalper in particular. Let's take a look at Forex Dominator. Forex dominator. Forex dominator long positions. All right. EURTRY, that's still holding, right? But we still need this to break through, right? Here's the buy signal all the way down here for tons of pips, right? Needs to break, continue to break higher. As a matter of fact, we'll bring this here. All right, let's get past this area here. But good trade going there. USD TRY, these are the Turkish pairs. All right, amazing trades, right? Previous trades did extremely well. All right, bought here, sold here, bought here, sold here. Now we have a buy signal right here, and it's moving higher. I know it's slowly moving higher, but it is moving higher. All right, USD CZK. All right, all right, broke resistance here. Moving higher, purple support and resistance, just keep an eye. Not a major concern, keep an eye on it, but all green candles, nothing to do there. Pound New Zealand, new trades. Good markdown phase. Remember, bring in your trend lines, guys. Your markdown phase, markup, buy signal, holding. We need that to continue to move higher. GBP PLN, all right, same thing. Markdown phase, buy signal. Here's your markup phase. All right, buy signal here, all green candles. Here is our first target. All right, and hopefully you can get to the second target there. All right, GBP PLN. All right, pound SGD. All right, pound SGD. Hey, Anthony, welcome, Anthony, welcome. Pound SGD, buy signal here, same thing. All right, looking to get to its target there. All right, USD CZK. All right, again, this is in Forex dominator. These are new trades. Buy signal here, moving up nicely, target here. All right, and then CAD yen. Now, you guys notice we've closed all those positions in the yen pairs. This is a new one here. I doubt this will last. All right, unless we see the yen pairs, all right, break out again. All right, but they've moved quite a bit. All right, they've moved up quite a bit, so expect a pullback. All right, and that no shorts. We don't have any shorts. Okay. All right. We might go through the rotations this evening, so show you guys what to expect in Forex next. All right, Monster Scalper, a couple of trades. We've got feeder cattle here, buy signal here, that's breaking resistance. And E-mini, S&P still trading higher, all right? S&P and NASDAQ trading higher, but boy, that the Dow and the Rust, but in particular, the Dow, that's under some pressure there. Okay, Stock Boss. So let's go through Stock Boss. Current positions in Stock Boss, and then we'll also take a look at Bull Master. No, we're not adding any positions, right? We need this. You know, we've had that Christmas rally, so the market is due for a pullback. All right, so Stock Boss. Just remember, if we've got a white candle, just pay attention to your trade. Red candle, close the trade. White arrow, which is our sell signal, close the trade. Okay, we'll go through this quickly. UP, that's holding. All right, ZIM, that's holding. Here is your markdown phase here. Here's your trend line. Here is your V, right? Your V. Buy signal here. Here we are looking to break through resistance there. All right, nothing to do there. CLVT, that's holding. All right, HCAT, all right, good markdown phase. Buy signal here, right? Holding support right here. White candles. We need buyers to come in and continue to move higher. Okay. UIS, look at UIS, guys. All right, continuing to move higher here. All right, buy signal was here at $3.89, $4. And here it is at 746. It's holding. We just need it to continue to move higher. All right. Good price action here. Holding. Holding, good price action. This one is holding. Now keep an eye on this purple support and resistance. So we know it's slowing. Just price is slowing a bit in the markdown phase, all the way up here. Buy signal here. Our target is here. Now again, the Dow is under some pressure, but guess what? Nasdaq, S&P is still holding. All right. All right. So if it gets through this resistance area here, this is where sellers are sitting. Right? It hopefully can get past this area, get to its second target here. Okay. All right. All right. This is holding. 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 Very good. Very good. All right. This one here. This one here. Surprisingly, it's holding, guys. We need to get past resistance here. All right. Buy signal was at 203, close today at 276. Boy, if it can break through this area, all right, a lot of resistance in here, get up into this area, that would be good. Okay. All right. All right. This is holding. All right. Holding. Nice pullback. All right. Holding. Good. Good. All green candles. This one here, SGHT. All right, buy signal here. Good markdown phase. You got a white candle here. Just pay attention to this. All right, we need buyers to come back in, continuing to push the price higher. Same with this one. All right, no sell signals, no red candles yet. This one is slowly moving higher. That's good. That's good. That's good. And that's good. All right, so nothing to change in stock boss. Okay. Now we've trimmed a lot of positions in stock boss. That's fine. If the market turns, then you're not exposed. All right. AL, this is in Bull Master, ALGN. You got a white candle there. All right. So if anyone is in this trade, just pay attention to that. Okay. Still holding. Good markdown phase, holding support. All right. All right. Your buy signal is right here. Not a major concern, but keep an eye on it. All right. Look at AMD, guys. Gapped up today. All right. Gapped up today. Trading up nicely. Buy signal on this one was 111, trading at 178. And that's great trade going there. Okay. This one is holding nicely in the markup phase. CAMT moving up nicely. All right. I think we missed one. All right, yes. DV, that's holding. Look at this one. All right, buy signal all the way down here. Right, almost at its resistance level. Now, we don't have a second target. So if this one breaks out, there's no resistance above. So it could really move. All right. DX, just keep an eye on it. Just remember, guys, sellers are here, right? Here, here, and here. So right here, that's a concern. Here we are right here. Purple support and resistance. All right, just keep an eye on this one. All green candles, but keep an eye on it. All right, good trade here. This is a good setup. All right, here is resistance. Here is your markdown phase. All right, so our traders, just remember, guys, drawing your, right, your trend lines to frame the price. This will help you stay in the trades. Okay, E and V. Good markdown phase, buy signal, right? Price is moving higher. Just let it continue to move higher there. Okay. Same thing, ESTA, moving up nicely. All right, ETNB, we've got a red candle, so we've got to close this trade. Okay. All right, so buy signal was at 1050, close today with a red candle, 1060. Definitely close this trade. All right, so if you're in it first thing in the morning, close the trade. All right, otherwise, this is what could happen here. All right, so red candle, always pay attention. Red candles, those are sell signals, just like your white arrows here. So close the trade. ETNB, close the trade, please. All right, this is holding. But again, purpose, support, and resistance. All right. All right, this is breaking out. Good. That's holding. ILMN, that's holding. Light, LITE, guys, right here, testing resistance right here. Looks good to break out. Okay, looks good to break out. If it does break out, we've got a second target all the way up here. All right, but we do need these indexes to cooperate. Okay, all right. This one here is breaking out. MKSI buy signal is here. Good markdown phase here. All right, so it's breaking out right here. We can see that here getting past those sellers. All right, so let's bring in a new target here. Next resistance all the way up here. All right, this might be a concern here. Let's do this for now. Let's bring it here. All right, and then if it can get past that area, then up here. All right, so MKSI, that looks good. All right, breaking resistance there. All right. All right, OFIX, that's holding. All right, the PEAK, that closed. All right, so let's remove it. All right, so buy signal was 1810, 1818 right here. Broke support right here at support, white candle, sell signal here, your white arrow, so close the trade. Okay, PEAK. So clean things up. You know, the money has been made already in equities, right? You guys know we've closed a lot. The money has been made, right? We started entering this, sending out these picks all the way back in October, late October. So here we are in January. So, all right, this is holding. All right, S, great trade going here with S. The buy signal was at right at 18, trading here at $25. And then if it can get past this area here, it is holding. It could all the next major resistance, guys, is all the way up here at what's that, $43. All right. So if it can get past this area here, which it is trying, resistance right here, and this is a lot of resistance. Boy, if it can get past, right, next resistance all the way, hold on, all the way up here. So good trade going there. But again, with all of this, we need the markets to hold. Right. SILK, great trade. When you guys find trades like this with a really deep markdown phase, those are really good setups, okay? Because you're getting a really good price. Buy signal here. This one is moving up slowly. That buy signal came in right at 9.89. So right at $10, guys. Look at this, right? Resistance is not until up here, where that buys, where the buyers failed before, right here, and that is at $54. But imagine that, right? That'd be 500%, right? If it does that, make it up all the way up there. All right. STNE, that's holding nicely. All right. Buy signal here. Broke its first target, no second target. So let it run. Purpose, support, and resistance. Keep that in mind there. Okay. All right. This one is holding. XRAY. No, good markdown phase. We have a big white candle here. Support is right here. All right. So I'll just keep an eye on it. All right. We need buyers to come in. If the market is up nicely tomorrow, okay, we could see buyers come in again. Okay. If it gets back up in this area here, then next target here. Okay. But all right. That's it for Bullmaster. Now, the market is in a funny place here where anything can happen. Okay. Um, I'll show you guys what's going on here. All right. We've trim positions, right? So we don't have a lot in forex. We don't have much in futures, monster futures. You guys know what's going on with equities, right? We had a lot more equities. You guys know what's going on with stock boss, heat seeker, right? Let's take a look here. So stock boss, let's run it. I think we had 27 last night. We have 29, so not a lot. We usually have, when things are moving, near 100, right? Stocks coming out here, and we did have a lot more. So things are slowing down. All right, be aware of that. So just watch your capital. Okay, if you can trade, but only 33. Look here, only 33 here in Bull Master. That's not a lot. So they're not buying, right? They're not buying. Um, let's see here. Monster scalper. Right here. Hold on. All right. Right here, monster scalper. You guys know we were all the way down here, right? Um, all these pairs, all the way down here, they were all yellow, right? So we had some good volatility, and they're moving back, right? We're getting more red in here. So that means some of these pairs are consolidating. Okay, so things are slowing, right? They're closing, right? Giving sell signals. Look at the dollar, right? The dollar, yen. I just want to show you guys what's going on. So don't expect a lot, right? The moves, they're done for now. Okay. So USD JPY, buy signal here, sold here. That's it for now. All right. SGD JPY. All right. So if you didn't get on this move, it's too late. All right. Buy signal here, sold here. That is done. Let's see, New Zealand yen. There was nothing here. Pound yen. You guys know pound yen. That closed. All right. So um, euro yen. Euro yen also closed. Buy signal here, sell signal there. And we can't go short. The shorts aren't ready yet. Okay. So CAD yen. All right, buy signal here, sell signal there. So they're closing, right? So we have to wait for the next rotation. Okay, so I would expect Forex to continue to consolidate. Just remember, after these big runs, they've got to take a break, right? They've got to, you got to, here's your markup phase. They've got to consolidate. All right, get into a distribution phase and then a markdown phase. Okay, so you've got to give them time. See, markup phase, markdown, markup. There's a good chance we'll get another markdown phase, and then we could go short. All right. We are early. We'll look through stock boss. There's nothing to trade in monster scalper. All right, yeah, nothing to trade. The dollar, we were hoping that we would get a buy signal by now in the dollar index. All right, all those dollar pairs have closed. Okay, so there's nothing there. Okay, so just wait. Half of the sectors here are selling off. Let's take a look here. All right, so financial is still holding. Healthcare holding for now. Communication services looks good. We might look for some opportunities in communication services. All right. Tech, NASDAQ is moving higher, so tech is moving higher. All right. So tech, I know what we'll do. Okay. So ComServe, tech. So let's go back. Okay. So financials. Healthcare, that's pulling back. We'll stay away from that. Communication services, tech, home builders are pulling back. Utilities, they're shorting it. Telecoms, that's pulling back. Biotech, that's pulling back. And then all of these are moving, all right, coming down. Okay. All right. So we'll take a look at equities, but we'll focus on tech, mainly tech and communication services. We'll see if we can find anything. And let's try Stock Boss. Let's run it again here. Can't hurt. All right. So tech, we've got 2 technology stocks. Let's see. That's no good. We're in UIS. We're in that already. Can't do anything with healthcare. All right. That's it. A lot of healthcare coming up here. All right. Bullmaster, let's run this just to see if we're missing anything. All right. ComServe, that's gone. That's gone. All right, nothing here. Tech, let's see if we can find something in technology. Those are gone. Those are gone. Oh, nice trade. That's gone. All right, nothing. All right. All right, that's it. Our US 30 traders, again, keep an eye. This is a bit of a concern. And look at it now, right? It's changing from, that candle is changing from white to green. It's been a struggle last couple of days. Okay. Just be aware the environment that we're in. Okay. Let me show you guys here. So here we are trending. We're trending on the US 30 on the daily time frame, but that buy signal closed right here. All right, we have another buy signal, and we have a purple support and resistance. So it is struggling. It wants to move higher. It's holding here. All right, so it could break out here, or guess what? Sellers could come in. Okay, so just keep that in mind. And this is a concern that the Dow has been down for the last 2 days. So yesterday it was down, today it's down. All right, so just keep that in mind. I would pay close attention. I wouldn't leave it alone. All right, you don't have to babysit it, but I would definitely just keep an eye on it. If you want to move it now, if you're trading it, and I know some of you are trading it on the 240, try to stay on the 240. All right, watch it on the 240. We have other traders that trade the smaller time frames. Okay, like the 60-minute, right? Even lower, 15, 30-minute. Just be careful. Okay, just be careful. Like this 60-minute right here, right? Buy signal was here, right? Close here. No, it doesn't have an open trade. All right. Now the previous trade here did well. Okay, but hopefully it breaks out. Right? It's sitting right at resistance here. Sitting right at resistance. Okay, but we need buyers to come in. Hopefully that will happen. But with a couple of days of selling, putting pressure on it. Okay, so just keep that in mind. All right, keep that in mind. The NAS, We haven't looked at the NAS in a few days here, but it's still holding buy signal here. It's trading better than the US 30. All right, here is your V right here. Buy signal. This one is moving up much nicer, right? Moving up nicely here. And then, but look here on the daily time frame, on the NAS, right? That buy signal hasn't closed. It's still holding. All right. So NAS is doing much better. But again, NAS was up today. It was up yesterday. I think it's been up all week. I think it was 1 day so far it's been down. So NAS been doing much better. And hopefully the US 30 will follow the NAS. All right. It will follow this price action. All right. They usually eventually will follow each other. Okay. Let's take a look at the S&P and we'll be done after that. All right. S&P. All right. So SP 500. That one, right, doing much better also. Okay. So it broke out. All right. So this is what we need the US 30 to do. Break out like this. Nice big candle. All right. Here on the S&P 500. Here's your buy signal, still holding, hasn't closed, moving up nicely there. Okay, so that's encouraging, right? That the S&P right here, your E-mini that's holding here, both on the daily, both on the 240. Your Nasdaq also right here is trading up nicely. Right, we just need the US 30 right here to break out. It's doing its own thing. All right. We just need it to break out. So that's encouraging. All right. On the other two e-minis. All right. So, but just know, take it easy on Monster Scalper. So, Monster Scalper traders, you should have, right? There was about 4,000 pips. 4,000 pips. All right. So, if you're getting in now, it's too late, guys. Right? So we have to wait, right? Save those profits, save those pips, and then just wait. We'll wait patiently for the next rotation in Forex. Okay. And right now we have no idea where it will come from. All right. So just wait patiently. Same with equities, right? The run starting in October, we've trimmed a lot of those positions. All right. So, um, if these indexes move higher, we might get another move in stocks. All right. But I doubt it. I doubt it. I doubt it. If that happens, we expect a pullback. But I've been wrong before. Right. But historically, we'll get a pullback and then we might get another move in spring. Right. So March or so, right, into May, June, and then, but the markets will do what the markets will do. Okay. All right, guys. So our US 30 in particular, just pay attention to this. Okay. And again, you've got the NAS moving up nicely. You've got the S&P, right, moving up nicely. Hopefully, the US 30 will follow. All right. Thanks for coming, guys. All right. If you need, if any of this, if this stuff doesn't make sense and you're trading, just let me know. All right. I'm here for you guys. All right. And remember, bring in your trend lines. All right. Let's do it here. Let's do this one here. Let's do this here. This is a small markdown phase, but still a markdown phase here. So bring those in. We'll do this here. We'll remove this one here. All right. So we just need that price, those buyers to hold and continue to move higher, right? Break resistance. We need green candles, all green candles. So, trade it candle by candle. All right. And try not to get emotional about it. Just hold until sellers, we'll know sellers are coming in or they're in when we get a red candle. All right. Red candle, sell signal. All right. All right, guys. You guys take care. Rose, great to see you, Rose. Great to see you. All right.
Thank you, David.
Michael is always a pleasure. Take care, guys.
Likewise.
Bye bye.
Bye bye.